And let's get you breaking news coming in, and that is former Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, that she has gone ahead and written to the Speaker saying that in that letter she has gone about talking about barring of Vidhan Sabha entry, saying that this is injustice when it comes to the opposition. The Aam Aadmi Party MLAs have been denied entry into the assembly. So that is Atishi, the Aam Aadmi Party's leader, who has raised up this issue, talking about alleging that her party MLAs were not being allowed to enter the house. The BJP people crossed the limits of the dictatorship as far as coming to power is concerned, that MLAs were suspended for the house for 3 days for raising slogans, and this has never happened in the history that elected MLAs were not allowed to enter the assembly premises. And that is what Atishi has gone ahead and written in a letter to the Speaker, that the BJP has crossed the limits of dictatorship after coming to power, and that it is the opposition that wasn't allowed to enter. So the BJP people have not allowed the MLAs of the opposition, that's the Aam Aadmi Party, they were suspended from the house for 3 days for raising slogans, and that has never happened before. And during the Delhi Legislative Assembly in its history, it's never happened that elected MLAs are not being allowed to enter the assembly premises. That is what Atishi has written in a letter to the Delhi Speaker. So that is the latest row words when it comes to the opposition and now the newly formed government here in Delhi, which is of course the BJP's government, and now the opposition, the Aam Aadmi Party, they're slamming the BJP for not allowing its MLAs, and denying the entry of those MLAs to the assembly. We have my colleague Anushka joining us. Anushka, of course, contents of that letter in which Atishi has spoken of the injustice that is being put out as far as the opposition is concerned, and saying that this has never really happened in the history of Delhi's Legislative Assembly.
That's right. We're seeing that Atishi, who's the leader of opposition right now in Vidhan Sabha, is saying that the MLAs are being treated unjustly. Remember, 21 of the 22 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party were suspended by the Speaker. Atishi has also written a letter to the Speaker saying that this is the first time that it has happened, that the people are not being allowed to, in fact, participate on every discussion that is happening. We also saw that the Speaker, in fact, Vijayendra Gupta, had said that the suspended MLAs are not even allowed in the premises of the Vidhan Sabha. And remember, today is also a session that is going to happen in the Vidhan Sabha, where the CAG report related to health and infrastructure is about to be tabled. And regarding that, Atishi is in fact has also said that she will be taking this matter to the president. She has written a letter and has said that this never in the history of the constitution has this happened, that some the MLAs have been suspended in such amount and they are not being allowed even in the premises of the assembly. We also saw the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs yesterday doing protest outside the premises, saying that they were not allowed entry inside. And also we saw the row regarding the Baba Saheb Ambedkar's portrait that was in fact by the Aam Aadmi Party. They said that Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar was being insulted. His portrait was removed from inside of the office of the Chief Minister, regarding which the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs started protest, and after that 21 MLAs were suspended. And now Atishi has written to the Speaker of the Assembly saying that this is unjust behavior and the voice of the opposition, the voice of dissent is being suppressed this way, and this should not happen because the discussion is going on. This is an important discussion on the CAG reports. 14 reports were to be tabled. Now, one of them has been tabled regarding the liquor policy. Second CAG report that is related to health and infrastructure is about to be tabled today around 2 p.m. in the noon, and we are seeing that Atishi has also in fact written that this should not happen, and she has also written to the letter to the president saying that and also asked for time to meet with the president.